Hi, good morning. Today's topic is job work in order processing. Job work in order process will take place when a company receives the job work from the third party. In this case, Pride Industries Limited will act as a job worker. In this section, we will see what are the different types of transactions involved in job work in order processing. Job work in order in Teleprime allows job workers to record receipt of job order from the principal company, raising an order for material finished goods to be dispatched after the completion of the job process, then defining the bill of material for the finished goods during voucher entry. Here they have given me one business scenario. To understand job work in order processing, let us consider that Pride Industries Limited received a job work in order for manufacturing pressure cooker from Sunshine Industries. The raw material for manufacturing the pressure cookers are received by Pride Industries Limited from Sunshine Industries. Here, first of all, I'll go to create ledgers. I'll create a ledger of Sunshine Industries under sundry debtor. Then another ledger I'll create. Okay, I'll create another godown over here. Sunshine godown. And here I'll allow storage of material to yes, and then I'll allow third party stock with us to yes. Alright, now I'll go to vouchers, and my first question is, on 1st August, Pride Industries Private Limited receive a job work order from Sunshine Industries for manufacturing the following goods. So by pressing F10, I'll open my job work in order voucher. Here, what I'm gonna do is I'll select in party account name Sunshine Industries. Here, I'll add the dispatch details. Dispatch through truck. Destination is Pena Industries area. Mode and terms of payment is check. Duration of process is 15 days. Nature of processing is manufacturing of pressure cooker. Here, in name of the item, I'll add pressure cooker. Yes, due on 2nd July. Wait a second. I'll change the date to 1st August. Order number will be 1. Pressure cooker due on 2nd August. Godown, here I'll select the godown as Sunshine Godown. Quantity is 50 at the rate 1000. So you will get all the components over here. Here what I need to do is I need to, in the case instead of component godown, I'll select over here Sunshine Godown. Sunshine Godown. Sunshine Godown. Sunshine Godown. Alright. So this way this entry is done. Alright. Now the next entry is On 2nd August, Pride Industries Limited received the following components from Sunshine Industries for manufacturing pressure cooker. A separate job worker godown is maintained to track the job work activities. So for this, I'll open F10 vouchers. Here I am going to open material in voucher. Here in material in voucher, I am going to add the reference number S11 SI1 dated 2nd August. Here I'll select Sunshine Industries. Now order number here I'll select material and raw material voucher. Now I'll select my reference number 1 over here, and you will see all the details will come automatically. Here I need to create a godown name as source godown. I will create it source godown. And you will see all the details will come automatically. So this way this entry is done. Next is, now I will press Alt plus F7 and here go to F10 vouchers, and here I'll go to show inactive. I'll go back. I need to create a manufacturing voucher. Manufacturing journal and the stock journal, and I will enable this option use as manufacturing journal. Understood? Now I'll go back, open the vouchers, I'll press Alt plus F7 and select manufacturing journal. Here I'll add name of the product as pressure cooker. Godown is Sunshine Godown. Quantity is 50 numbers, and you can see that all the components of bill of material have been come automatically. So this way the manufacturing journal is also done. Next, Pride Industries Limited delivered the following finished goods to Sunshine Industries. The goods are stored in finished goods godown. So for this, I'm going to open material out, press F10. Here I'll open material out finished goods voucher. Here I will select the reference number as one Sunshine Industries. I'll link this reference number 1 over here, and you will see all the details will come automatically. Here in the godown field I will select not applicable pressure cooker, and you will see all the details will come automatically. Alright, next is finally booked the income of 50,000 in the sales invoice from Sunshine Industries for the job work rendered on 2nd August. So for this I'll open my sales voucher. Here I'll press Ctrl plus H and press counting invoice mode. Here I'll add reference number as 1. Party account name is Sunshine Industries. Here I'll add job work charges of rupees 50,000. That's it. Next, at last, receive 50,000 from Sunshine Industries for the job work rendered. So for this, I'll open my receipt voucher. Here I will create ICICI Bank. Here I'll add Sunshine Industries 50,000 against reference. That's it. So this way my job work is also done. Alright. So that's it. So that's it for job work topic. So I'll get back to you with some interesting topics in next videos. I hope you understood the job work very carefully. So I'll get back to you in next video. Thank you so much.